Looking for a cute way to give your Valentine treats this year? Well, come on, Candy Pants! Let's make the most adorable little Valentine chip bag together, complete with a front window, so your treats steal the show. First, head over to jimmyjacks.com to download our Valentine chip bag template. Of course, you'll need a few supplies. First, a straight edge or a ruler, hot glue or craft glue, an X-Acto knife or scissors, double-sided sticky tape, clear film like a Ziploc bag or sheet protector, treats to fill the bag, and pinking shears for the final touch. You'll also need glossy photo paper, no thicker than 8.5 mil. Thinner works better. We're using standard sheet protectors for our window film. First, trim the right and left edges of your chip bag. This step is totally optional, but it gives your bag a more polished look. Using your straight edge and craft knife, or scissors if you prefer, carefully cut out the front window using our guidelines. This is my favorite part because it lets everyone see what's inside. Now attach your clear film to the back of the window using double-sided sticky tape. For the clear film, you can use cellophane or acetate sheets too. You'll cut your film to 4 1/4 by 3.5 inches and attach it securely. Use the included guidelines to fold the sides together. I like to start with a ruler just to get things lined up. Then press firmly and use a straight edge or a credit card to create a crisp, professional look. You'll notice we've included a guide for the middle border too. This helps line everything up perfectly, every time. Make sure she's nice and crisp one last time. Don't forget to write your name on the bag before you fill it with goodies. Next, glue the middle border together and press. Then, glue the bottom border together. Press seams to secure. Oh, she's just gorgeous! Such a simple and cute way to give your Valentine treats. The perfect little touches, too. Notice on the back how it will look if you skip that first step of trimming the edges. And now the fun part. Let's fill her up. I'm using a small bag of Hershey's Kisses from the dollar store because I'm cheap. But you can fill your chip bags with just about anything. Once filled, glue or tape the top seam and make sure everything is sealed. For that final touch, grab your pinking shears and trim the edges for that extra Valentine's flair. Your chip bags can be filled with candy, art supplies, beauty products, cozy socks, even cash. Each finished bag measures about 5 by 8 inches, making them perfect for gifting. We've also included a chip bag with no view window, the best of both worlds. And notice how your bag will turn out when you trim those side edges first. If you love easy, adorable DIY crafts like this one, be sure to grab our instant digital download from jimmyjacks.com and start creating today. Happy crafting and happy Valentine's Day! Mwah!